Hello. So in today's session we'll be discussing about how to create an invoice due payment in Fujishka ERP. So move on to transactions, go to vouchers. Here you have the option on as payment. From here you will find invoice due payment. So in the list you will have already created invoice due payments. If you want to add a new one, click on add new. Then from here you can provide cash or bank. From here you can select the supplier ledger, and the invoice due payment can be done in three ways, either by invoice or by amount or by wallet. If it is done by invoice, you can see the number of due invoices. From here you can select invoice against which you will be creating the invoice due payment. From here I will select the invoice and you can see the paid amount, and if you have any write-off you can provide that as well, and then click on submit and this invoice due payment will be created. Now the second method is by amount. So if you click by amount, and now I am adding 2000 as the amount, and if you click on enter, you can see this 2000 has been deducted from two invoices. So amount will be deducted from the invoices that has been due for the most number of days. That means 1946 has been deducted from the invoice that has been due for 95 days, and the remaining 54 has been deducted from the second invoice that has been due. And now the third method is by wallet. If you have provided an amount as advance to the supplier, then you can add the amount here and select the tick box as advance, and then if you click on submit, this amount will be added to your wallet. So currently you can see our wallet balance is 250. Once I have submitted it, you can again go to add new, select cash or bank, select the supplier ledger, and you can see before the wallet balance was 250 and now it has been increased to 2250 since we have added an advance amount of 2000 previously. Now select by wallet, and from here you can select the invoices against which you will be making the payment. Now I have selected an invoice, and once I click on submit, the amount of 1946 will be deducted from the wallet. Now again if you check the supplier ledger, here you can see the amount has reduced to 304. So this is how you create an invoice due payment in Fujishka ERP. Now if you want to delete or print an invoice due payment, you have the option in the list as well, and if you want to filter any particular data, you have the filter option as well. So this is everything about invoice due payment in Fujishka ERP.